Hello and welcome. I am Samuel Islam, a dedicated pharmacy student under the Faculty of Health and Life Science. My journey into the world of healthcare began with a strong academic foundation. I completed my SSC from Ramdhanu Model School and my SSC from Rajshahi Cantonment Board School and College, achieving a perfect GPA of 5 out of 5 in both milestones. Fueling that same drive for excellence into my university education, I am proud to hold a current GPA of 3.28. But to me, pharmacy is far more than just a maintaining high grade point average. It is the perfect bridge between chemical science and human lives. Choosing the Department of Pharmacy was a deeply deliberate decision. During my times under the Faculty of Health and Life Science, I realized that pharmacists are the unsung heroes of healthcare. We don't just dispense medicine, we understand the molecular secrets that can conquer diseases. Throughout my academic semester, I immersed myself in pharmacology, medicinal chemistry, and pharmaceutical analysis. My high CGPA reflects my discipline, but my true reward has been gaining the ability to look at the complex chemical structures and understand exactly how it saves a patient's life. I have deeply I have developed a sharp analytical mindset, a love for evidence-based research, and deeply respect for strict quality standards. What truly excites me about this sector is its potential for innovation. The pharmaceutical landscape is evolving rapidly, moving toward the targeted therapies and advanced drug discovery. I am incredibly passionate about the research side of this industry, specifically unlocking the therapeutic potential of phytochemicals and natural sources to develop safer and more effective treatments. I don't want to just study the textbook of today. I want to contribute to the formulation of tomorrow. Whatever it is optimizing drug delivery system, working in quality assurance driven by the working in quality assurance or driving into the computational drug design. I am driven by the impact our work has on global health security. Beyond the academic theories, my education has equipped me with a critical soft skill. I have learned how to collaborate effectively in diverse teams, solve high pressure problems systematically, and integrate scientific data clearly. I approach every challenge with a adaptability and relentless curiosity to learn. As I move forward into the professional sphere, my goal is to channel my academic dedication and my passion for pharmaceutical science into real world impact. I am ready to bring my energy, my precision, and my commitment to your team. Thank you for your time and watching my video resume. I look forward to the opportunity of connecting with you future. It will be a great honor for me. Thank you everyone.